So on this PTI tool, we have numbers on it right here. Number 5 indicates the tread depth gauge for steer tires. Those can be no less than 4/32. That's a DOT requirement. So we take that, put it in between the tread. See, we have good meat on this tire. However, if any of that is sticking out when you're doing a pre-trip, we need to get those tires serviced and replaced, either at a CRST shop if you're already at a terminal, or using Love's Tire Pass at one of many Love's locations that you're sure to pass going down the road. Next, this nub on the bottom here, that's 2/32. What that is for all other tires on the vehicle. So that's going to be your drive tires or your tandem tires on the back of the trailer. And yes, you have to check all of them. Next on this PTI tool is a hole right here in the middle. What that's for is to check and make sure that any cracks in your windshield aren't bigger than that. If they are bigger than that, you can get CSA violations at a roadside stop or inspection. So if you do have any bigger than that, we need to write it down, put it on the DVIR, contact the shop, make sure we get the vehicle serviced.
If you see one of these signs or find yourself at a shop or terminal location, stop into the maintenance shop and pick up one of the 4-in-1 tools.